guys, today we're going to talk about the do's and don'ts of pedicures and how to make sure you can get a safe one. Hey everyone, it's me, Dr. Nooreen, your resident foot and ankle specialist, and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so we're going to get straight into it with this video, and I'm just going to list out my tips to make sure that you can get a safe pedicure. Alright, number one, do make sure that you go to a salon that you know is clean and has good cleaning habits, that they sterilize equipment between clients, and that they keep their facility clean on a regular basis. Do try to request an appointment at the beginning of the day with a first appointment, because that's when the facility is most likely to be the cleanest. Number three, do ask the pedicurist to cut your nails straight across and not to curve into your nails, because that could lead to an ingrown toenail, and you can check out my video about ingrown toenails if you want to. Number four, don't let your pedicurist cut your cuticles. You can let them push the cuticles back, but don't let them actually cut them, because your cuticles act as a barrier to microorganisms, and if you cut off that cuticle and then you allow them to soak it in all those waters and solutions that they put it in, you're going to increase your chance of getting an infection. Number five, don't let the pedicurist overfile your corns or calluses. Number six, don't shave your legs the day before or the day of you getting a pedicure, because when you shave your legs, you're leaving little micro abrasions and little cuts in your skin that you may not be able to see, but bacteria and microorganisms can get in from those small little abrasions, which could potentially lead to an infection. So if you do want to shave your legs, shave them at least 48 hours before you go. Okay, this next tip, I know not everyone can do this, but if you can, do bring your own tools to the salon, because then that way they've only been used on you and you know that it's clean. Number eight, don't let a pedicurist use a foot razor on you. You want to make sure they're not cutting too deep, because that will then potentially create a source of infection. Guys, the last one, do let a pedicurist use a pumice stone on your skin, because that will just gently exfoliate all that dead skin and leave your feet feeling nice and soft after you moisturize them. And then you guys, two other things in general, if you have redness, swelling, pus, drainage after getting a pedicure, get to the ER immediately, because those are signs of an infection. And the last thing I wanted to say about pedicures is that if you're someone who's diabetic or immune compromised in any way, I would recommend not getting a pedicure, because the risks for you are just too high, and a little nick on a diabetic could turn into something really bad. So just if you're a diabetic or someone immune compromised, I would just say don't get a pedicure at all. Alright guys, I hope these tips were helpful. If you guys have any other questions about pedicures, definitely leave them for me in the comment section down below. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to stretch and subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!